Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. Imagine the situation that your boss has a task for you to create the new contacts of your company. So you go into the contacts list and there is no new contact button here. So you think you are in a very big trouble. However, please don't worry. There is a solution of this problem. So the problem that the new contact button is not appearing is that you have opened the global contacts list. So it is located here on the top of your Redmine. When you click on contacts, this is the global contacts list. Yeah, the URL and /contacts, this is it. So by nature and by behavior and by design, the contacts are project related and not global. So that's why there is no new contact button. So if you would like this button to appear so you could create new contacts or companies, then you have to select a specific project first. Let's do it. We go to our projects and then select a specific project. So when we go to contacts, then there is a new contact button here. So yeah, this is the solution. It is very simple one. You have to select the project and then go to the contacts list of this project, and then the new contact button is going to appear to you. So you are able to do the task of your boss. You could now create the new contacts. So thank you very much for watching this video and see you into the next one. Bye bye for now.